In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from your Trust Wallet to your bank account. First thing you need to do will be to log into your Trust Wallet app, and once you're on the home screen, if you check, you would find out that at the moment it is not possible to transfer your money to your bank account directly, but I'm going to show you an hack that you can use. So if, for example, I intend to transfer my Bitcoin to my bank account, what I need to do firstly will be to go to Bitcoin and then click on send. So once I click on send, I would find address or domain name and the amount. Now what I need to do will be to use an exchange such as Binance, Bybit, or any other one that you have access to and you have an account with, and you go over to the exchange, in this case Binance, and you will click on deposit crypto. In this case I'm using Bitcoin. So once I do that, I just click on Bitcoin and I would find the address. So I click on the address and I return back to my Trust Wallet and I include the wallet address which I have pasted from the exchange, and I include the amount, if for example 10 Bitcoin. Click next and follow the on-screen direction. All right, so once I do that, my Bitcoin will arrive in my exchange app, in this case Binance. After that, I return to my exchange platform, in this case Binance, and I click on spot and I try to locate Bitcoin. So once I do that, I will click on Bitcoin or whichever cryptocurrency you intend to transfer to your bank account. As I've sent the crypto from my Trust Wallet, it will reflect in this exchange. What I need to do next will be P2P trading. And once I click on P2P trading, I would go to sell. Then I can include the amount that I intend to sell. If, for example, I want to sell just one Bitcoin, I can include that. I would also include the payment method that I need. In this case, I can choose SEPA. Then once I have done that, I just click on sell. And that's all. The money will reflect in my bank account. I hope this video is helpful. Follow for more.